Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send crypto from Safepal wallet to another wallet. So first of all, you need to launch your Safepal wallet. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here on the home page, you are going to see all of the coins that you own. Like as you can see, I have BNB, BTC, Ethereum here in this list. So it is going to show you the number of coins that you have right next to it. So the total balance will be available here on the top. So in order to send your crypto to another wallet, you need to first of all select that particular crypto which you want to basically send. So let's say you want to send BNB. So after tapping on the cryptocurrency, you are going to see the send option here. So tap on the option of send. Then it is going to ask you to provide the deposit address. So in order to get that address, you need to launch that particular wallet in which you want to basically send your crypto from the Safepal wallet, which in my case is the Trust wallet. So once you are here inside your Trust wallet application, you need to simply use the search bar here in the top and search for the same crypto which you want to receive, which in our case is BNB. So BNB is the BNB smart chain and not the BNB beacon chain. So you need to remember that. So once you are here inside your wallet, simply tap on the option of receive. Then you are going to see this type of QR code and the deposit address here. So you need to copy this address, then go back to your Safepal wallet, paste the address here in this section. After that, in the amount, simply enter the amount of BNB or if you have any other crypto. So after entering it, it is going to also show you the equivalent amount in USD. So once you have added that, simply tap on the option of next here in the bottom. On the next page, you need to review your transaction. You need to make sure that your address is correct and the network is also correct. After that, you need to confirm your transaction. Now, once your transaction is completed from the Safepal wallet, you need to wait for 3 to 5 minutes in order to receive your crypto in your Trust Wallet app. So this is how you will be able to send your crypto from the Safepal wallet to another wallet. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto guides. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section too. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.